Click on the link below to get price. The Brother PE900 Embroidery Machine with WLAN functionality is a remarkable device that has significantly elevated my embroidery projects. Out of the box, the assembly process was intuitive, and the machine's compact design made it easy to set up in my craft space. The highlight of this model is its built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, which allows for seamless transfer of designs from your computer or mobile device directly to the machine. This feature is a game-changer, as it eliminates the need for USB drives and makes accessing a vast library of embroidery designs more convenient than ever. The user interface is incredibly user-friendly, featuring a large, color touchscreen that displays designs with clarity. Navigating through the various options is straightforward, and the machine offers an impressive selection of pre-installed designs and fonts that cater to different styles and projects. The embroidery area is generous, allowing for larger designs, and the precision of the stitching is commendable. I've noticed that the embroidery comes out crisp and detailed, which is essential for my sewing projects. Complementing the PE900 is the ETKS63 Pacesetter 63 color thread set. This thread set is not only vibrant but also offers an excellent range of colors that are perfect for any project. The thread glides smoothly through the machine without any snagging, ensuring that the stitching process is uninterrupted. The colors are richly dyed and hold up well after multiple washings, maintaining their brightness and vibrancy. One minor drawback is that the machine can be slightly noisy during operation, which may be a concern for those who prefer a quieter workspace. Additionally, while the thread set is expansive, it would be ideal to have a few more neutral tones included for versatility. Overall, the Brother PE900 Embroidery Machine, paired with the ETKS63 Pacesetter thread set, is an outstanding investment for both beginners and seasoned embroiderers. It combines advanced technology with ease of use, making it a must-have for anyone passionate about embroidery.